How to promote Click Dealer solar campaigns on YouTube. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up and run successful solar campaigns on YouTube, promoting Click Dealer offers. When it comes to promoting white hat lead generation offers, Click Dealer is one of the best CPAs networks you can work with. They have the best exclusive lead generation offers with high conversion rates and competitive payouts. When I'm choosing offers, I always ask my affiliate manager at Click Dealer to see what they recommend. My rep told me solar offers in Australia are doing very well, so I asked them to give me their best solar offer for Google or YouTube ads. This is the offer. The payout on this offer is $32 per lead. The best target demo is male and female 40+, and it only works in Queensland, so we already have our targeting from Click Dealer. The next thing we need is a landing page. You can also use the default landing page from Click Dealer, but what I like to do is spy on competitors to see what kind of landers are doing the best. For spying, I use Optimising native. To get started, I search for my keyword, which is solar panels. Then I selected Australia as my target country. After that, I sort the ads by receiving the most traffic to find the best performing landers. After checking the first 5-10 campaigns, this was the best landing page I found. Once I have my landing page ready and uploaded to my server, it's time to set up tracking. Campaign tracking with Redtrack. First, before you can create a tracking campaign in Redtrack, you need to add your offer's source, your offer, landing page, and finally the traffic source. Adding the offer source. To add Click Dealer as your CPA's network, offer source, select offer sources from the top navigation bar and click on Plus New. Then select Click Dealer and click on the green Add button. Once you've done that, go to Offers and select Plus New. Next, you need to type in your offer name, select the offer source, Click Dealer, and add your unique offer link to the URL box and click Save. You just need to replace Insert Offer URL here with your offer link, and Redtrack will automatically add the correct Click Dealer Click ID parameter, which is S2 equals Click ID. Then you can add your traffic source, which is Google Ads in this case. For traffic sources, click Add New, find Google Ads, and select the No Redirect Tracking version. Once it's done, it's time to create your No Redirect Redtrack campaign. Select Campaigns from the top menu and click on Plus New. Name your campaign and select the traffic source, Google Ads in this case. Next, in the funnel section, you need to select your landing page and your offer and click Save. We're going to use a No Redirect campaign for this to make sure it's going to work in Google Ads. It basically means you are not going to use your default click URL as your final link, like in a default redirect campaign. Instead, you need to select No Redirect and copy the No Redirect script and place it into the header head section of your landing page. Once you have done that, you can use your default landing page URL as your final URL in Google Ads instead of the Redtrack click URL. Campaign setup in Google Ads. I'm going to set up two types of campaigns for YouTube ads. One is skippable in-stream ads and also discovery ads. Skippable in-stream ads. First, we are going to set up skippable in-stream ads on YouTube. To get started, go to Google Ads, click New Campaign and select Leads. Then select Video and click Continue. Then name your campaign, select a bid strategy, and set your daily budget. Next, choose your target country, which is Australia in our case. Demographics, we are going to target male and female 45+ as Click Dealer suggested. I'm also going to make a list of the most popular YouTube channels that are related to our niche and target only those YouTube channels in our campaign. Then we need to upload our video, add to YouTube, and add the link in the YouTube video box. And add your final URL and your ad texts and call to actions. Discovery ads. Next, I'm also going to launch a discovery campaign on YouTube. These are search ads showing up on YouTube search and next to videos. They look like this. Set them up, start a campaign with no goals, and pick discovery ads during the creation process. Then you need to do keyword research using Google Keyword Planner and add your keywords to target so they only show up there. Depending on the terms of your offer, if the offer has a long form that needs to be filled out, for start, just target desktop because it's difficult to convert on a little screen older people who can't type or read a small mobile screen. Demographics, we are going to target male and female 45+ as Click Dealer suggested, just like in the previous campaign. To start optimizing your campaign. Once your campaign is live, you need to monitor your stats and optimize when you got enough traffic. Usually you can start this after 1 or 2 days of running your ads, but it also depends on your daily budget. For the discovery campaign, I recommend starting with at least 5 different ads, so you can compare them against each other and optimize based on the ones that are performing the best. Also, check the performance on the placements to see where your traffic is coming from and exclude placements that are not working for you. You should also pay attention to your demographics, analyze your stats, and see which age groups, genders, are bringing the best results and optimize your campaign based on that data.